Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm going to share with you a quick trip that I did today at Target. There's some good deals there. Some items, most of them were just less than $1, so I think it's really worth getting. The good thing is that if you're new to couponing, I'm going to provide the printables in the description area, where you could just select the link and you could just print. Remember that the limit is 2, so you could print 2 of those per computer. And I think these are very good deals, so let me just get started. The first thing that I did purchase was the milk bones. It had to be puffs because the coupon does specify puffs. This is kind of like a triple savings in a sense, because this is on special. So this is on special for $3.49. I believe that's the price that I saw, $3.49, but I purchased 4 of those. So I purchased 4. It's a pretty nice bag and it's for $3.49 each. So I purchased 4 of those. I used 4 manufacturer coupons, deducting 1. And the car wheel was going to deduct 25% for the item in total, and the Ibotta is going to give you $1 back per item. So it came out to just 62 cents per bag from $3.49, and it's actually on special. The next item I did purchase was for the Kleenex, the wet wipes. That brings from 20, depends which one you get. Some of them, they come 20, other ones come 24. The coupon does say that it needs to be 20 count or more, and the printable is just for $1 off 1. The price in Target is for $1.49. So after you deducted the $1, it came out to just 49 cents per item, and it brings 24, and I think it's perfect when you're traveling, when you need it, put it in a car. So I thought 49 cents was pretty good. And the last thing that I did get was the Milka candy. It's the Milka Oreo bar. They're on special for 89 cents. I think that's the price. The price is 89 cents. There is a coupon that deducts 55 cents, so you could use one of those. The car wheel is going to give you back 25%. So it deducted 22 cents when you buy one, and then you could submit it to Saving Star. But since Saving Star is only taking one item, what I did was instead I submitted it to checkout 51, that is giving me, because it has I think a limit of 5. So I submitted my receipt to checkout 51, which is giving me back 25 cents per item, making it free, and 13 cents money maker. So everything that you see was a few items that I got. I did wanted to get other items, but unfortunately they were out of stock, so I couldn't get them. But if you want to see those good items that are there, I did a video today sharing the best deals from Target, and if you want to see what those deals are, I'm going to provide the link in the description box. Also, I'm going to provide it here, so you could just click it once this video finished, so then you could go see it in case there's other items you do want to get. So everything came out to like $3. Everything came out to $3.20 for everything here, and I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm going to share also at the end how much I was able to save and how much it would have been without coupons. So I really love couponing. That's why I wanted to do this quick haul and share it with you. So I hope you're having a good day, already starting the week with a lot of savings. And I'm also getting prepared with the other ads, like CVS. I hope you was able to enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with other people so they could get excited about coupons too, and they could start saving as much as they can too. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.